Now, once we added all capacitors, we can start editing them. So all you do is press on the capacitor and look here on this side. You can modify the name. This one is going to be C1 in my case. And the value will be 100 microfarads. And that's it. And now we go to the second one, press on the capacitor. We change it to C2 and the same value, 100 microfarads. So it's all here. You can change the color, you can change anything that you want. And now we'll modify the value of these ones as well. So this one is going to be C4. Press on the capacitor, C4 in the text, and then the type. This one is going to be 10 microfarads. And the same for this one. Press on the capacitor, C3, this is right, and then 10 microfarads. Now, once you have this done, we can start adding some extra line, getting close to the finish. So we will need a line here and a line here. Okay. Also, we will need a line in the middle, and I'm going to explain you why. Now, actually forgot to add the fuse here. Just take the fuse, zoom in, and you need to have the zoom function in so that you can change the shape of them and the way they're lined. Now these are resistors, and we will need two. We will need one here, and we copy, and we will place another one here. Now what we'll do is we need to connect this line with this one, and we do it in this way. This, and then we connect it to the minus part. If we do the same for the top one, we connect this line to here into the resistor, and then here. And now the resistors have to be 1K each. So we press on the resistor, R1, 1K. The same for this one, 1K. And now here, this is, we need the text to label the ends. So this is volts DC, volts DC, and we will put plus 12. And we do the same for the bottom one, volts DC, but instead of plus 12 this time it's going to be minus 12. And all I did is to copy this one here and just change the sign into the edit section. Also for this one in the middle we will need to add 0 volts. We stick it in here, and yeah, a few more adjustments. Like here we will have to say AC signal, and we stick it in here maybe. Yeah, just to get the gist of it. Change the text, and if you want you can put it like this, put it on the side so it's a bit neater. Now once you have this, remember you don't have to copy exactly how I did it. You can just make sure that the connections go where they are supposed to go, and after that you can try and do it your own way or your own style to be more precise. Maybe you want to add different ways of the lines and all that. That's fine. Now once we have this finished, we can focus on this part, the ProfiCAD. So the way you complete this is right click and then fill in title block. And here you have everything that you can add. You can also add description, reference grid, yeah, also you can move it to anywhere you would like. And in case you don't want to use the title block, all you have to do is change, usually this show title block. You can press this one and there we go, it's not here anymore. Sometimes you might need some extra space, so you can do that. Fill in title block. Now, so as you can see, you just need to check and put your values, and this is it. There's other functions like colors, if you want to change colors. There's all sorts of symbols that you can take and use it for other things. Electric installations. Make sure that you don't close this part, because if you do, you won't find it easily again. You'll have to reopen the program again. So the way you save it is File, Save As, find your destination, title, and then save. Okay, and now let's see. And if we go here, press on it, and there it is. So that's it for for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope it was